Ready to make your Wix Studio website a breeze to navigate. First, head to the top left of your screen and click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. Now, find the menu and navigation section. It's usually near the top. Click on it. You'll see a bunch of menu options. Let's pick a simple horizontal menu for now, but feel free to explore other styles later. Click the menu style you like. Boom! The menu is now in your header. You can drag it to reposition it within the header. To customize the menu, click the Edit Menu button. This will open the Pages and Menu panel. Here, you can manage which pages appear in your menu, drag pages to reorder them, or click the three dots next to a page name to rename or delete it from the menu. To change the menu's appearance, click the design icon. This is where you can adjust the colors, fonts, and spacing to match your site's style. Experiment with different settings until you're happy with the look. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a menu in your Wix Studio header, making your site user-friendly and professional. Now, go build something amazing.